Alright, everyone, welcome to the X5 software tutorial. Before we dive into how to use the X5 software, there's some setup we need to cover first. Downloading, installing, software configuration, and learning how to connect to our ECU interface. First up, to use the X5 software, you'll need to download it from the official website. Open your web browser and head to the EngineJump website at x5.com. Once you're there, find Service and Support in the navigation bar. Then scroll down until you see X5 main program install. Click to download it. Simple as that. Let's run through the download and installation process together. Open your browser and type in at x5.com. Click on Service and Support and scroll down. You're looking for X5 main program install. Right here, go ahead and click to download. If your browser gives you a security warning, just click Keep on the download prompt. Wait for the download a moment. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. Click OK. Then select I accept the agreement, and keep clicking Next afterwards. Wait for the program to install. Once the installation is complete, you'll see two new icons on your desktop. One is the main X5 application, and the other is for your local data. In the last section, we installed the X5 software. Now, we're going to walk through the basic configuration. This will make using it much smoother. Step 1 is connecting your diagnostic tool. Hook it up to your computer with the USB cable. Then, launch the X5 software. This icon right here means you're connected and good to go. Step 2, software activation. A quick activation is required for first-time use. Just sign up with a username and password right here. Step 3, language setup. If the language on the display isn't your preferred one, you can switch it in this menu. Finally, let's check the software version. Make sure everything is updated to the latest version. This prevents features from becoming unavailable. Enough background, let's jump into the hands-on demo. Take out your USB cable. Plug one end into the side port of your diagnostic tool, and the other end into your computer's USB port. A beep sound confirms the connection. Now, open up the X5 software. Check the connection status. An icon like this indicates a successful connection. Next, click on Software Update and select Device Activation. For a new device, simply sign up with a username and password. Then, choose Language Settings. This is where you can change the system language. Finally, head back to Software Update. Compare your current version against the latest one available. If they don't match, a single click will trigger the automatic download of the latest version. Let's try it now. Go ahead and click. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, your software will be updated to the latest version. If you encounter any issues during use, checking here first to ensure you're on the latest version is a good step. In the last lesson, we completed the basic setup for the X5 software. There's just one final step left: connecting the ECU to your diagnostic tool. Then you'll be all set to officially use the full features of the X5 software. The connection process itself is straightforward, but when you're actually doing it, caution is key. This avoids misconnection, which could damage both your tool and the ECU. Step 1. First, connect your diagnostic tool to the ECU. You can use a breakout box or a multi-interface programming cable for a quicker, easier setup. Step 2. Then connect your tool to your computer via the USB port. Step 3. Since we're doing a bench diagnosis off the vehicle, we need to simulate the vehicle's power supply. Plug in the adapter and connect to your bench power supply. Final step, fire up the X5 software and check if the voltage readings are normal. Let's cut to the chase and practice connecting to an ECU. We'll use a Bosch 17C53 control unit for this demonstration. First, connect one end of the diagnostic main cable to the tool. Lock the connector. Then, take out the 4-in-1 programming cable and attach the K-plug. For bench mode, the A-plug is required. Let's attach it. On the 4-in-1 cable, find the adapter head that matches our control unit model. Connect it to the diagnostic main cable. Finally, connect the bench power supply. It can be connected to the main cable or the box. However, for bench mode, it must be connected to the box. Connection is now complete. The USB cable is already plugged in. Now, let's open the X5 software and take a look. A reading around 12 volts or 24 volts is within the normal voltage range. If you run into issues later on, also check the OBD port voltage.